Hi barbecue lovers! Today, I'm going to share a simple but game-changing hack to keep your burgers juicy and flavorful every single time. Whether you're grilling for a family cookout or just craving a perfect burger at home, this trick will make a huge difference. You won't need fancy equipment or weird ingredients, just a little ice cube. Sounds interesting? Let's get into it. So, why do burgers often turn out dry? The problem is that as you grill the patties, the heat causes moisture inside the meat to evaporate or drip out, leaving the burger dry and less tasty. But what if you could keep that moisture inside, even as the burger cooks? That's exactly what the ice cube hack does. It slowly melts inside the patty, releasing water that keeps the meat juicy from the inside out. Here's how to do it. Take your ground beef and divide it into equal portions for each burger patty. Flatten each portion into a thin disc, but don't make it too thin or it will fall apart. Place a small ice cube right in the center of the patty. Carefully cover the ice cube with another thin layer of ground beef, sealing it completely so the ice cube is trapped inside. Press the edges together gently to close the patty around the ice cube, like making a little burger pocket. Now your burger patty has a built-in moisture boost. When grilling, cook your burgers over medium heat. You want the outside to brown nicely but not burn before the ice cube has melted inside. Flip the burgers only once, halfway through cooking. This helps the juices stay locked in. The ice cube melts slowly as the heat penetrates, releasing water and keeping the patty tender and juicy. This method is perfect for thicker patties that need more time on the grill without drying out. To enhance your juicy burgers, add your favorite seasonings to the ground beef, like salt, pepper, garlic powder, or smoked paprika. Serve the burger with fresh buns, crisp lettuce, tomato, and your favorite sauces. Once you try this ice cube hack, you'll never want to grill a dry burger again. Bonus tip: you can also try using flavored ice cubes made with beef broth or herbs for an extra flavor boost. And remember, always let your cooked burgers rest for a few minutes before serving. This helps redistribute the juices inside. Thanks for watching. If you loved this barbecue hack, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more delicious tips and tricks. Drop a comment below and tell me your favorite burger topping. Stay smoky and juicy, everyone.